Let's start with Cora over at Pitt and Frank. Lisa sent us an email. She's a first-time home owner who's going to rent her house. She's wondering, in addition to a lease, she's going to require a security deposit, I guess, in first and last month's rent she's writing. But she's wondering, does she have to create a new bank account for the security deposit and for the last month's rent and the first month's rent? Does it stay separate, or can she combine it with her existing bank accounts? Cora.
Hi, Lisa. Well, this sounds like a great opportunity for you to retain that property as investment and get it rented out. And certainly you can see that as a trend, now more than ever, since real estate has helped so many people kind of create that generational wealth. So kudos on that. As for your lease and keeping those accounts separate, I would recommend that you have a separate account as opposed to commingling those funds. There's a number of different reasons that would support that. But again, better safe than sorry. I would absolutely keep a separate account. I love that you're collecting first and last month's rent. There's a security deposit, very standard. Also, I would just encourage you to make sure that you have a good, solid lease agreement in place. So happy to review that for you, or seek out the counsel of another qualified landlord-tenant attorney, so that you can make sure that whatever template, whatever lease that you're using, it sounds like it may be a long-term renter, but is something that you're comfortable with because you could be in it for a while. So understanding your rights as landlord, and that you have a good form and good working knowledge on how to be a good landlord in the state of Kentucky will be instrumental, and we'd be glad to help you. Good luck, Lisa.
And good luck on that. Don't go to the internet and pull a form, because that could be a real problem, right, Cora?
That's correct. Absolutely. Yeah. Not only is AI not licensed to practice law, but also a lot of those national websites and what have you, they'll just talk in generalities. And so it's got to be state law specific. So if your real property is here in Kentucky, we want to make sure that we're using Kentucky's laws to govern that.
All right. Very good. Thank you very much on that one. Lisa, good luck.